Today we will make this little piggy. It can be a small surprise for friends, a special toy on the keychain, or desktop decoration. These are all the materials and tools needed. 100% light cotton yarn, markers, 4mm hook, safety eyes, and stuffing. First, let's work on head and body. Start with a magic ring. Chain 3. Make 11 double crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 11. Now close the ring by pulling the losing end. Slip stitch to the third chain. This is the first round. Second round, chain 3. We'll repeat pattern 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets till the end. So 1 double crochet in next stitch and 2 double crochets in next stitch. One double crochet again, 2 double crochets again. We'll end in a 1 double crochet. So this is a complete round, and we're gonna slip to the third chain again. Now put a marker on the 6th double crochet. And 12th double crochet. These are locations for the eyes. Continue to the third round. Chain 3. 1 double crochet each on the first 2 stitches. One, 2. For our next 4 stitches, we're going to repeat the pattern. 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet. So 2 double crochets in this stitch. One double crochet in next stitch. 2 double crochets again. One double crochet again. 2 double crochets each on the next 4 stitches. Two, put a marker here. It's a location for the ear. 4, 6, 8. It's a location for another ear. For next 4 stitches, we're going to repeat the pattern. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. So 1 double crochet in this stitch and 2 double crochets in next stitch. 1 double crochet again, 2 double crochets again. Two stitches left, and we're gonna put 1 double crochet on each. Slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Round 4, chain 3, 1 double crochet each on the first 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then we will repeat the pattern. 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double, 1 double, 2 double, 1 double. So 2 double crochets in this stitch, 1 double in next, 2 double, 1 double. Repeat till the end. The last stitch is 1 double. Slip to the 3rd chain. Round 5, chain 3, 1 double on each stitch. 1, 2, continue till the end, and slip to the 3rd chain. Repeat the pattern for round 5 for 3 more times, and this is what we have for head and body. Now let's work on piggy snout. Start with a magic ring again. Chain 1, 8 single crochet in the ring. For the losing end, and slip stitch to complete the snout. And this is how it looks like after we sew the snout on. Now let's work on the piggy ear. Make a knot. Chain 9, 3, 6, 9. From the 4th chain from the hook, add 1 double crochet. For next 4th chain space, 1 double crochet each. Two, 3, 4. In the last chain space, add 6 double crochets. And 1 double crochet each in next 6 chains. Slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1 more slip stitch, chain 3, 1 double crochet in next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 1 half double crochet each in next 2 stitches, 1, 2, 1 single crochet each in next 6 stitches. Now repeat 2 half double crochets. Four double crochets to complete the ear. Use the same pattern to make another one. Use safety eyes for the piggy. One piece inside and another piece outside. Push toward each other until a click sound to secure. This is what we get after replacing markers using safety eyes and ears. Now we just need to close the body by reducing stitches. Chain 3, 1 double crochet on the first stitch. Reduce next 3 stitches to 1 double crochet. Work on first double crochet. Before completing, work on second double crochet. Before completing, working on the third double crochet. And pull the yarn over all the loops. So this way we reduce the stitches to 1. 1 double crochet each on next 2 stitches. Reduce 3 stitches to 1 double crochet. Again, 1 double crochet each on next 2 stitches. Again, reduce 3 stitches to 1. Repeat till the end. Slip stitch to the third chain. Add some stuffing. Again, chain 3. Reduce next 2 stitches to 1. Reduce next 3 stitches to 1. Again, reduce next 3 stitches to 1. Continue reducing till the end. Add more stuffing. After sewing the small hole, this is what we have. Now it's time to make the piggy tail. Make a knot. Chain 11. 5, 11. Second chain from the hook. 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet each in next chains. This is what we have for the piggy tail. The last part is the bow on the head. Make a knot. chain 5, and slip to the first chain. To make a loop. Chain 3, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and chain 3, slip, so this is one side of the ball. Now we make the other side. Chain 3, 2 double crochets again, 1, 2, chain 3, slip to the hole. Okay, so this is our ball for the piggy. Okay, so this is our super soft, cute little piggy. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I will have regular updates.